a nice view of the mountains.
Where?
You like the view?
I like the view.
You do?
Asked the question, then you said it. Always saying things you're regretting.
Hi
Guys,
I just woke
can't go back.
I'm sleeping. I thought I was sleeping in the I thought I was sleeping like in the house.
So upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Oh yeah, try again. Push the pedal to the pavement. Always dreaming that we'd make it. In the rear view, our reflection is a stranger to the time and place we met.
So hungry.
Do I know the butter or what?
Very hungry.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Even though there's no
I wish you a happy birthday. Thank you for
everything you gave us.
oh, keeping the best daddy ever. I wish a good health and a long life. Keep going what you do. Love you. Oh, thank you, guys. Thank you, Pato. Thank you. I like that. You're the poop.
You're the poo.
That's funny, but yep, that's from Isaac. I'm the poop. That's right. All right, life is crammed with things to take care of, and still you make time to show you care. Oh, to the man who makes me happy, the man of God, for the giving you to me.
And why Daddy
That's
reads?
amazing. Maria, I appreciate everything you do. Our family, you always put me and Bata first. I can't imagine my life without you. I love you so much. I hope I did a good job in making you feel that. I will hold your hand, and now that I will be there for you through ups and downs. Oh, we can't do this. You mean everything to me. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Mama. Oh, thank you. Oh. I like the up and down.
I feel bad because it'll be short.
Squirrel! Daddy, he's our man. If he can't do it, squirrel. Money, well, hello. Then watch out, because the tools and swear words will be flying. That's why I love you, Dad.
Aww.
Oh.
Short but sweet.
Oh, thank you like that.
Aww.
Thank you. Thank you, Dad. Oh, thank you.
And
And then, of course, in that one, they'll say, oh man.